The Honeywell HEPA-Z HEPA Replacement Filter Kit is designed specifically for use in the Honeywell Professional Series Air Purifier HPA600. This certified 3-in-1 true HEPA filter removes up to 99.97% of airborne particles at 0.1 micron from the air that passes through the filter. The antimicrobial coating inhibits the growth of microorganisms on the filter, and the activated carbon captures odors and harmful VOCs. This filter also captures larger particles such as dust, lint, fibers, and pet fur to maximize HEPA filter life. Inside this package, you'll find 2 true HEPA-Z replacement filters, which is good for 1 year of filtration. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.